how to fix Valorant client problem easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, it's easy. First, just type here services, and after that scroll down until you find here VGC. Right click on it and then click restart, and then right click here and go to properties, and you will find it like that. Manual, make it automatic and click apply and OK, and then type here device manager, and then go to processor and make sure to update all those drives here, and also display adapters, update all those drivers. Right click update, and that's it. Now just restart your PC and you will find that your problem is fixed, and see you in the next video.